Let's start with the most important question in AI right now. What is an AI agent? Most people know chatbots. You type a question, you get an answer, and the conversation ends. It's like a vending machine, one input, one output. But an AI agent is fundamentally different. It has a reasoning engine that thinks about your problem. It has access to real-world tools like code execution and web search. And critically, it runs in a continuous loop until the job is actually done. The key difference is simple. Chatbots respond, but agents take action. Now let's look at the core architecture that powers every AI agent. It starts with the user who sends a request. That request flows as a prompt into the LLM, the brain of the system. The LLM doesn't just respond. It reasons about what to do, then reaches out to its tools. It might use search to find information. It might run code to solve problems programmatically, or call external APIs to interact with services. Results flow back to the LLM, which decides the next step. This is the architecture behind Claude Code, Devin, and every modern agent. The secret sauce of every AI agent is a pattern called the React loop. It has 3 phases that repeat. First, the agent thinks. It looks at the problem and reasons about the best approach. Then it acts, using one of its tools to do something in the real world. Finally, it observes the result and evaluates what happened. Then the cycle repeats until the task is complete. Here's a concrete example. Find the top hacker news post and summarize it. Think, I need the HN front page. Act, call the web scraping tool. Observe, got 30 posts with titles. Think, now fetch the top article. After a few cycles, it delivers a clean summary. Here's what makes agents truly powerful: memory and context. At the center sits the LLM. It draws from 3 types of memory. First, short-term memory, the current conversation and everything said in this session. It gives the agent immediate context about what you're working on right now. Second, long-term memory. This persists across sessions in a database. It lets the agent remember your preferences and past decisions over time. Third, working memory, the scratchpad for the current task. It tracks intermediate results, plans, and what still needs to be done. Together, these give agents a continuous sense of context, almost like human memory. So what does it take to build your own agent? The formula is surprisingly simple. You need a brain, which is your language model. You need tools, the capabilities your agent can use. And you need a loop, the control flow that keeps it running. Brain plus tools plus loop equals agent. That's the whole recipe. And this pattern is already powering real products. Look at the landscape. Claude Code uses this pattern to write and debug software autonomously. Cursor applies it to pair programming at lightning speed. And you can build a custom agent tailored to your exact workflow. The age of AI agents is here, and now you know how they work.